Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello America, this is your friendly neighborhood technician Keith coming at you with some more good information. Today we're talking about my fridge seems to be running a little bit warmer than usual. It won't quite get down to temperature. Well, we're going to have a couple possible causes for that. One is this is a new fridge, okay, and these gaskets are in really good shape, okay. As you get older, as your fridge gets older, these get a little stiffer, they get junk in them, and they don't seal right. And what I mean by that is if you've ever been walking through a store and you see in their freezer section where they got all that frost building up, that's because they got a bad door seal. What that's doing is that's bringing warm air in from the house, and it's causing the temperature in the refrigerator to come up, and the fridge then has to work harder to try and get the air down, okay? That's one of the possible causes. You want to look at it, and like I said, make sure they're good and clean and in great shape, okay? If you do that and it cracks, you've got a problem with these are old and they should be replaced. The other would be the compressor coils, okay? The condenser coils is what they're called. Those, basically, the air from the house gets pushed over those to cool the refrigerator, okay? To cool the refrigerant in the refrigerator. What happens is, all the stuff in your house gets pushed over that, and what happens is it basically develops a coat, okay? What you want to do is you want to actually blow out the coils to get them clear so they function better. You can vacuum it out, you can blow them out, but I've always found that if you blow them out, you have more force pushing on your vacuum than you have sucking on your vacuum. A good shop vac has both push and suck and blow. You can do it from the back, you can do it from the front. What you don't want to do is lean it over to get to it. Now your Whirlpool fridges are almost all on the bottom, the coils, okay? Your GEs, your Samsungs, your LGs are predominantly all behind the back panel. If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section. We'll be more than glad to address them as they come up. It's easier to address the question you need than me try and guess what you are asking about. So let me know what you need, and then we'll be back with you and give you some helpful information on how to fix your fridge. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back for some more wonderful information.